Inside the courtroom, tension rises as Ms. Smith faces eviction over more than $5,000 in unpaid rent, with her daughter in this courtroom. Emotions are high as Ms. Smith faces a harsh reality of overdue rent. With over $5,000 at stake, every word from the judge carries weight, and every second counts toward her future stability.
And Ms. Smith, how are you intending on getting this paid?
Hi, so I filled out the SCR, and then I can make this month's payment next week, but I was seeing if I could have to before the end of November to pay off the rest.
Okay, let's back that up a little bit, okay, so that we understand what's going on. You've done the SCR.
Yes.
So with the SCR, there's a form that came in your packet called a rental assistance form.
Yeah.
You'll need to fill that out with the tracking number.
Okay.
Okay. And it needs to be filed with the court by Wednesday.
Okay.
Okay. Now, the next thing is that you said that you could make a payment. So what kind of payment, how much of a payment can you make, I guess is what I'm going to say.
$1,500 by next Wednesday. Is that okay?
Well, if I said no, what would you do? No, never mind. You could, no, don't answer that. I just thought I'd throw that out there. But you can pay $1,500 by the 5th, you think?
Yes.
Okay. All right. And then how are you intending on getting the rest of this paid, or what's your plan?
So I got let go from my last job, and I just started working at this job last week.
Ms. Smith stands firm, tried to explain her struggle, recently losing her job, yet determined to make things right. The judge listens carefully, balancing law with compassion, as a single mother fights to keep a roof over her daughter's head.
To get some type of plan in place, and you hope that you can work out something to get yourself clear by the end of November.
Yes.
That's what you're looking at. Okay.
Yeah.
So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to indicate you're to pay the landlord the $1,500 by the 5th.
Okay.
I'm going to adjourn this hearing out to November 7th, 2025 at 2 p.m. That's an in-person hearing, so you'll need to come down to the courthouse.
Okay.
Okay. What I'm going to suggest is that you contact either the office, your landlord office, or the attorney's office, and see if you can work out some type of payment plan to get yourself off.
When Ms. Smith promises to pay $1,500 by next week, the courtroom feels the pressure of time. The judge sets a new date, November 7th, giving her one final chance to prove she can make things work before it's too late.
So you're not relying upon it
As the hearing ends, the judge reminds her rental assistance may help, but it won't solve everything. With only her daughter by her side, Ms. Smith walks out knowing the real battle begins now, outside the courtroom.